Hello viewer, welcome to today's lesson. So today we shall be looking at how we can make water safe for use. So for today we shall be learning about making water safe for use. So how do we make dirty or unclean water clean? We can make dirty water clean by using a process known as water purification. So we can use this process, which is known as water purification, to make dirty water clean. So as we made mention earlier, water purification. So when we say water purification, what is water purification? So water purification is the process by which dirty water is made clean for use. Water purification is the process by which dirty water is made clean for use. So let's take a look at some of these water purification methods. So let's take a look at some of the ways that we can make dirty water clean and then safe for use. So there are several ways we can purify water. These are, we have filtration or filtering. So we can make dirty water clean by filtration or by a method known as filtration. So that is one of the ways that we can purify water. Also, we have addition of alum. Addition of alum. 3, we have boiling. We have boiling. 4, we have addition of iodine tablets. Addition of iodine tablets. And 5, we can use chlorine to make dirty water clean. So with all these ways or with all these methods, one can make dirty water clean. So now let's take a look at some of these purification methods. So one, we have filtration. So filtration is the method by which solid particles are removed from water. So filtration is the method by which solid particles are removed from water. Some solid particles that can be found in water are plastics, stones, leaves, and sand particles. There are different ways we can filter water to make it clean. The most common method is the use of the filter paper. So filtration is the method by which solid particles are removed from water. And then there are several ways that we can go about this, but the most common method is by using the filter paper. So as you can see in the picture, you have the filtration method there. So you have a beaker containing the dirty water, you have your filter paper there, you have your funnel, you have your conical flask, and then as you pour the dirty water into or onto the filter paper, it sieves the dirty particles from the water, thereby allowing only the clean water or the filtrate to get into the conical flask, as you can see clearly in the picture. So this is a clear representation of filtration. So this is one of the methods one can use to purify his or her dirty water. Now we also have another method one can use to make water clean, and that is the addition of alum. So we can also purify water by adding alum. Alum is a chemical used to make water clear. Alum is in a solid form, but it easily dissolves in water. Alum can only make water clear, but it cannot kill the germs in the water. So that is what alum is purposely used for. So it can be used to enhance the cleanliness of water, but it doesn't kill any other materials or any other germs that can be found in the water. So when we add alum to water, it collects all the small particles in the water to settle at the bottom of the water. As the particles settle under the water above becomes very clear. The clean water is then poured gently into a different container, leaving the dirt in the bowl. So after adding your alum to your dirty water, you realize that the dirt or the dirty particles end up at the bottom of the water, and then you have your clean water at the top. So once the dirty or the dirt particles have been settled beneath it, you can then gently or slowly pour out your clean water and then use it for whatever purpose that you want to use it for. All right, so we have another method, and then this method is boiling. So we can use boiling as well to purify our water. So boiling is another method we can use to purify water. One good thing about boiling is that it kills every single germ in the water. So boiling kills every single germ in the water, and this is because once the water gets heated, the germs that are in the water cannot withstand the excess heat, and as such they die. So boiling is actually one of the best methods of purification. So we can use boiling to purify most of our dirty water. Good. Also, we can use this method, which is the addition of iodine tablets. So whereby you have your dirty water, you can add some amount of iodine tablets to it, and then it will become safe or clean for you to use. Also, we can add chlorine to purify our water. Adding chlorine is also another purification method. So we have these methods, and then any of them can be used to purify dirty water. All right, so this brings us to the end of the lesson. We've been able to identify or come up with what purification is. We've been able to identify some of the ways or the methods that can be used to purify water. So one, we had filtration. Two, we had addition of alum. We talked about boiling. We've talked about addition of iodine tablets. We've talked about addition of chlorine. So all these are methods of purification. So when we use any of these methods, we can clean or make our dirty water clean and safe for use. All right, so that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Hopefully we shall meet again. Bye bye.